Now distributor feed at both end means supply corresponding to both end. First one we have discussed corresponding to concentrated loading. Concentrated loading, after that we have discussed uniform loading. Okay, so first one clear. What is the meaning of this one? Suppose that this section, that is A, and this one is a B. Okay, what about current? Here IA, here corresponding to IB, and this section trap here, trap here, trap here, trap here. Okay, total length, that is L in meter, that is L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. Okay, and point C, D, E, and that is F point. Okay, there are two possibilities. First one corresponding to same potential, and second one corresponding to different potential. Both in potential are same or different. Okay, so first one, there are two possibility. Okay, two ends feed with equal voltages, and second one, two ends feed with unequal voltages. Okay, in this section we have determined point of minimum potential. Most of the time minimum potential. Okay, I know that at a minimum potential behave as a sink. Means suppose that E point is a sink, behave as a sink, means current suppose that is Ix and here Iy, means I3 has a maximum current. Clear? As maximum current, I3 is a maximum current. At maximum current we got corresponding to voltage, that is minimum, because of its behavior as a sink voltage. Sorry, it is a behavior as a sink, means maximum current corresponding to we got here. Okay, and this voltage VE, VD is greater than VE, and VF is also greater than VE. Clear? If suppose that this current is a maximum, as means I3 is greater than I2, I3 is greater than I1, I3 is greater than I4, sorry, Ix, sorry. Okay, clear. I3 is greater than I4. Clear? Okay, if I3 is greater than all current corresponding to I1, I2 and I4, that it means we got, that is this point behave as a sink, means we got maximum current. Okay, maximum current corresponding to voltage. What about voltage? That is a minimum voltage. So VE is the minimum voltage. Okay, so most of the time question asking corresponding to this one. So how can determine minimum voltage? So this one is current IA. If that is IA, what about this current IA minus in this section IA minus I1, and that is IA minus I2 minus I1. Okay, and here IA minus I1 minus I2 minus I3, and here IA minus I1 minus I2 minus I3. For simplicity point of view, we have taken corresponding to IA current. Okay, so how can solve it? First of all, determine all resistance in this section, that is R of AC, R of CD, R of DE, and R of EF, and R of FB for both this one or this one, this one or this one, for both in both condition our motto we determine minimum voltage or voltage corresponding to all drop or voltage corresponding to this section, whatever. So first of all determine IA. So VA minus VB, this is equal to current in this section IA into R of AC plus I of CD into R of CD plus I of DE into R of DE, and फिर again I of EF into R of EF plus I of FB into R of FB. With the help of this formula, if RA is equal to RB corresponding to first, that is 0, we got solve it and got IA. And after that, if corresponding to this one unequal voltage means VA minus VB, whatever we got, suppose that 5 volt 10 volt whatever. So with the help of this one we got IA. After that IA, if this current is maximum current and this voltage is minimum, so how can determine VE? VE is equal to VA minus R of AC into I of AC plus R of CD into I of CD and R of DE into I of DE. With the help of this formula we got VE minimum. Okay, so clear how can proceed. So first of all we have to focus on question also. Okay, first of all make it, after that we have to take question and how can resolve it. Okay, make it. Corresponding to question, a 2-wire DC distributor AB, first of all make AB distributor, that is A and that is B. Okay, from both end means what about current IA from A and from B, IB. At the feeding point a voltage is maintained, means VA is equal to 230 volt. Okay, and VB is equal to 235 volt. Clear? Total length of the distributor is that is 200 meter and load or tap of under 25 ampere, that is 25 ampere. Okay, from 50 meter. Okay, that point represents C. Okay, from A. Clear? Now 50 ampere at 75 from A means C to D, that is 25 meter. Okay, and what about current is 50 ampere. Now another way, 30 ampere at 100 meter from A. 100 meter means again E point, that is 25 meter. Okay, from D, that is what about current 30 ampere. Now next 40 ampere at 150 means 50 again 50 ampere, 50 meter, that is 50 meter. Okay, D to E to F, that is what about current, that is 40 ampere. Clear? And what about this one, that is 50 meter. Clear? According to question make like this one. Now our motto, the resistance per kilometer means in 1 kilometer per kilometer of the one conductor is 0.3. Okay, now what about 2? This is 2-wire system, that's why what about resistance per unit length, that is 2 into 0.3 per kilometer means divided by 1000 meter. Divided by 1000 meter. It means ohm per meter. Clear? First of all, converted this one. 0.6 into 10 to power minus 3 ohm per meter. Clear? That is the resistance. Now, our motto determine current in various section and minimum potential, minimum voltage, and the point at which it occurs. It is clear. At minimum potential, what about current? Maximum. Clear? D point is the main point, or you can corresponding to minimum potential. Okay. Why? Because of maximum current here. I have also proved it with the help of question. With the help of this numerical value, I can solve it. So first of all, what about resistance corresponding to in section AC? You can say that resistance, better to write resistance in section in section AC. What about R of AC? Perimeter resistance is 0.6 into 10 to the power 3. So what about length? 50 into 0.6 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, that is 0.015 ohm. Clear? That is 0.6 into 3, 0.3, sorry. .03 ohm. Okay. Now, in section CD, R of CD, that is 25 into 0.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 means 0.0115. Okay, that is 0.015. Again, CD and DE, R of DE, it is written as 25 into, again that is CD, means 0.015 ohm. Okay, now because of both length are same, that's why. What about EF? Same, EF is same R of AC, because of length are same, that's why it is 0.03. Okay, now what about FB? R of FB is same as R of AC, that is 0.03 ohm. Clear? Now our next target corresponding to, first of all, determine current. If for simplicity point of view, we have taken current IA in this section. So what about IA minus 25 ampere in this section? Now IA minus 75 ampere. Now here IA minus 105 ampere and IA minus 145 ampere. Clear? Now how can determine VA minus VB? For simplicity point of view, we have taken IA, not taken corresponding to IB. Okay, so VA minus VB, this equal to this voltage drop plus this voltage drop plus. Okay, why plus? Because direction of current in this one. So what about R of AC? R of AC is 0.03 ohm. R of CD, that is 0.015 ohm. R of DE, that is 0.015 ohm. Okay, R of EF, that is 0.03 ohm. R of FB is 0.03 ohm. Simple, very simple. So voltage drop corresponding to VA minus VB, this will be equal to IA into R of AC plus IA minus 25 into R of CD plus IA minus 75 into R of DE plus IA minus 105 into R of EF plus IA minus 145 into R of FD. Okay, VA minus VB 230 minus 235, 230 minus 235, this will be equal to IA, I don't know. What about RA? R of AC 0.03, IA minus 25 into, what about CD? CD is 0.15, sorry, 0.015 plus IA minus 75 into, what about DE? DE, that is 0.015 plus IA minus 105 into EF, that is 0.03 plus IA minus 145 into FD, FD is 0.03. Clear? So what about IA? We got IA, this will be equal to 4 divided by 0.12, and that is 33.34 ampere. With the help of Kalsi, you can solve it, and got, I have already done it, that's why we written here, that is we got 33.34 ampere. Okay, now 33.3 ampere means direction of current here, that is 33.34 ampere, here 33 minus 25, that is 8.34. okay, now this is minus 75 minus 34.34, sorry, 33.34, that is 41.66 ampere. Okay, now here 105 minus 33.34, that is 71.66, and here 33.34 minus 145, that is we got 111.46 ampere. Clear? What about maximum current we got in this section? Okay, so our next target VDE. So first question corresponding to current in various section of the diameter distributor. So written corresponding to current in section AC, I of AC is written as 33.34. Okay, now CD, I of CD is written as 8.34 ampere. Now direction of current E to D, that is I of ED is written as 41.66 ampere, and R of current in section FE, that is FE is written as 71.66 ampere. And next one, our next target is current in section VF is I of is written as, that is 111.46 ampere. This is the final answer corresponding to this one. Now next target, minimum voltage. Our target minimum voltage. Minimum voltage is corresponding to at D point. Okay. So now our next target is determine minimum voltage. How can determine minimum voltage? I know that VA minus VD, very simple, VA minus VD, this is equal to 0.03 into 33.34 plus 0.015 into 8.3. Okay, what about VD? VA this is equal to 230 minus this voltage, 0.03 into 33.34 plus 0.015 into 8.3. okay, that is 1.12457. we got minus 230, that is 228.87 volt. This is the final answer. Okay, that is the minimum voltage at D point. Okay, corresponding to, clear, that is the minimum voltage. Minimum voltage at D point. D point. Okay, so make it very simple. First of all, determine current in all section. Okay, IA. After that, resistance. What about resistance in all section? After that, VA minus VB, this will equal to voltage drop corresponding to this one. If taken corresponding to current, very for simplicity, IA is going on A to B direction. Okay, in AC section, IA, CD section, IA minus 25 dash dash. After that, solving and got IA. Okay, after that IA, we got all current in section corresponding to this one, and again apply our next target, our motto, determine minimum potential at point D. Minimum potential. So minimum potential, which one is the minimum potential where current are going on? It's behave as a sink. D minimum potential as a behave as a sink point. At sink point, maximum current. And what about voltage? Minimum voltage. So that is a sink point, or you can say the minimum potential point of AB section. Okay, so what about VD? VA minus VD, this is equal to this one plus this one, and we got finally this one. Okay, so make it. Now corresponding to question, a 2-wire DC street main AB, first of all make, that is AB, A and that is B portion, 600, L is equal to 600 meter. Okay, first of all, okay, along as a feed point, both end, that is 240 volt, 220 volt, means VA is equal to VB, this is equal to 220 volt. Clear? Load of 20 ampere, 40 ampere and 50, 20, 40, 50 and 30 ampere are tapped at a distance 100 meter, 240, 50, 400, 500 from the end A respectively, means from A to, that is first one 20 ampere. Okay, what about distance? That is 100 meter. After that 100, 250 means between distance between both, that is 150 meter. And what about current? That is 40 ampere. And next, that is 50 ampere. And what about distance? That is 400. 400 means 150 again. Distance between both two. And next one 500. And what about current? That is 30 ampere. It means 100 ampere. sorry 100 meter. Distance between both is means if you consider this point is C, D, E and F. Okay. Now second one, let us consider if current IA means that is IA, what about current in this section? 20 minus IA minus 20, and that is IA minus 60, and that is IA minus 110, and that is IA minus 140 ampere. Clear? And here what about current, that is IB. If you consider for simplicity point of view, you have taken current corresponding to this one. If IA, then what about current in this section? IA minus 20, that is IA minus 20. After that, clear? Okay. Now next one, our motto, if you determine resistance, what about resistance? Resistance is, that is 2R DC system, that's why multiply by 2 rho L by A, 2 into rho, that is 1.7 into 10 to power 6 into L is 100, 1 meter. 1 meter means that is 100 centimeter, because all in given centimeter, that's why. And this one is also okay, area is also given 1 centimeter square, that's why. So near about, that is 3.4 into 10 to power minus 4 ohm per meter. Okay, that is the resistance. Okay, resistance of 1 meter length length of a distributor is like this one. Okay, so you can say that resistance, if you write now, resistance of 1 meter distributor, that is 3.4 into 10 to power minus 4 into ohm. Okay. Now next one, our motto correspond, we have our motto determined find the minimum consumer voltage means direction, minimum voltage means maximum current. Okay, corresponding to, if I don't know which one is the minimum voltage, so first of all determine the direction of current. Suppose that Ix and Iy are going through the here, then this one is a represented a minimum voltage. Okay, first of all going to basic. Okay, first of all determine current IA. After that clarify IA positive or negative. If IA is positive, then this one positive, this one positive, and depend upon also what is the value of IA. So first of all I know that IA minus IB, potential difference between both both in IA VA minus VB, this is equal to voltage drop corresponding this one. Okay, and this one is also 100 meter. Okay, now what about resistance corresponding to this one? Okay, 100 into 0.34 means, that is, what about resistance of RAC, this is equal to 3.4 into 10 to power minus 4 into what about distance, that is 100 meter. Okay, means that is 0.034. This one and this one, R of AC, R of EF and R of FB, that is 0.034 ohm. Okay, now next one, R of CD, R of DE, both are same distance, per meter resistance are same, that's why 1.50 into 3.4 into 10 to power minus 4, that is 0.051. Okay, that is 0.5 ohm resistance. Okay, now voltage drop corresponding to VA minus VB, this is equal to I of AC into R of AC plus IA minus 20 into R of CD plus IA minus 60 into R of DE. Okay, and IA minus 110, IA minus 110 into R of EF plus IA minus 140 into R of EB, FB. IA, VA and VB both are same, that's why voltage corresponding to voltage difference between VA minus VB is 0. So this one is a 0. Okay, what about I of AC, that is IA. R of AC is, what about R of AC, that is 0.034. okay, plus IA minus 20 into, what about CD, CD is 0.051 plus IA minus 60 into, what about RDE, that is 0.051. okay, plus IA minus 110 into EF is 0.034. okay, now IA minus 140 into EF is again 0.034. clear? First of all 0.034 ohm, and that is 0.051 ohm, and that is 0.051 ohm, and that is 0.034 ohm, and that is 0.034 ohm. okay, clear? So into IA, this one, this one, this one, and this one, this is equal to 0. So what about IA? IA this is equal to if multiply by this one, that is 12.58 divided by, we got 204, 0.024, and this one is 61.666, or you can say that 61.7 ampere. I have already solved, that's why written direct. okay, so multiply by, we got IA. After that IA, and it means, what about direction of current, that is 67.1 ampere. Here that is 41.7 ampere. okay, and this one is 1.7 ampere, and here 110 minus 61.7, that is 48.3. this one is got negative, it means direction of this one is opposite. okay, now next one, we got 140 minus 61.7, that is 70, direction of this one is 78.3 ampere. clear? It means, which one is the minimum potential point, that is E point. Why? Because of direction of current in both this one and this one is downward. okay, I know that I have already discussed minimum potential point represent maximum current. You can, a tap point is when maximum current, then what about point, that point voltage is minimum voltage. clear? So 20, 40 and 50 ampere corresponding to, we got minimum potential point, that is E. Our next target is our motto determine VE. How to determine VE? Next target, determine VE. I know that VA minus VE, this is equal to, you can say that 0.034 into, what about current, 61.7 ampere plus 41.7 into 0.051 plus 1.7 into 0.051. okay, so you can say that this one and this one. okay, 0.034. finally we got 41.7 plus 1.7, we got 443, and into multiply by 0.051, that is 2.2, plus 0.034 into 61.7, like this one. Okay, that is 4.3112. Okay, our motto determine VE, so VE is equal to VA minus 4.312, it means 220 minus 4.3112. Okay, minus 220, we got 215.688 volt. This is the final answer. Okay, minimum consumer voltage is this one. Okay, so make it.